Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. So today is March 20th, 2020. It is a Friday. One of the things that I actually wanted to show you is one of the live trading sessions from this morning. So make sure that you guys stay tuned to the very end of the video, and it's going to be a live trading session from this morning, and I really hope that you guys learned something new. But before you guys even get to that, one of the questions that I've been getting, I feel like it's because so many people, due to current market conditions, are getting started in the stock market. And as you're learning everything it is that the stock market has to offer, a question that you might have is, how much time should you dedicate to research and inform yourself about what these companies or what these stocks and ETFs have to offer and how they trade? One of the first things that I want to remind you is that as the market continues to sell off, which it 100% still is, I made a full video explaining why it pays to be patient. Everyone is encouraging everyone to buy the dip, and market conditions are not getting any better. So with that being said, instead of me trying to buy the dip as a day trader, I am taking it day by day. Therefore, as you guys have seen, I've been absolutely killing it this week. I made over $11,000 profit in just 5 days trading, and it's been so enjoyable because I'm not riding down the stock market. I'm not investing right now because it just doesn't make sense. As things continue to get worse, the market will only continue to fall. Once there's a fundamental reason, once there's a vaccine, once the market actually begins to indicate signs of a reversal, of course, it makes sense to then, begin to invest into these companies. But it makes more sense that instead of trying to predict the bottom of the stock market, why not take this time to inform yourself? So it comes down to that very question of how much time should you dedicate to research and inform yourself about what these companies have to offer. One of the biggest suggestions that I would have for you is I have found it to be super effective to really niche down. And what I mean by that is instead of focusing on tech, instead of focusing on gold, instead of focusing on overall market conditions or natural gas, I have doubled down on natural gas. That is my bread and butter. And I've learned the different factors that have a positive and negative influence and that act as a positive or negative catalyst for natural gas. Therefore, I don't need to be a true professional or an amazing day trader for gold. I don't need to be an amazing day trader for anything else. My biggest focus is natural gas and what influences natural gas, and I've been able to do very, very well with that. Why change something that is already working? And I would have the same piece of advice for you. I would learn a little bit more about the different niches within the market, tech, bioscience. If you just want to follow overall market conditions, so many people are focusing on pharmaceutical companies that are trying to come up with a vaccine for the coronavirus. There's just so many niches and so much opportunity everywhere. I hope that you guys know that I am never here to encourage you to trade what it is that I trade. It's irrelevant, right? Just because I do well trading something doesn't mean that the masses will as well. My goal for each and every single one of you is to pursue and invest your time in a niche within the market that you see value in and that you resonate well with. So when it comes down to that question, how much time should you invest in research until you are informed enough to make a sound either investment or trade decision? So it's not about how much time, but asking yourself, are you informed enough to feel comfortable and to understand the different variables that can act as a positive and negative catalyst for what you're about to invest or day trade? A lot of people are doing really well with, as crude oil sells off, they're trading the inverse. As gold is going up, they're going with the flow, right? As market conditions are selling off, they're trading the inverse ETFs. There's so much opportunity present. All you need to do is take time and not worry about how many hours is too much, how many hours is too little. It's dedicate enough time, little or not, to get informed. As long as you are informed, you can then make informed trade decisions and informed investment decisions. And that's the goal. You should never ask people where to buy, what stocks to trade, where to sell, and where to put your money. If you are not informed enough to make that trade or investment decision yourself, you are not informed enough to take advantage of that opportunity. It's that plain and simple. I just wanted to have this friendly little reminder as we go into the weekend, right? Almost every single Monday, and you guys, again, don't even take my word for it, but look back every single Monday for the past 4 weeks. it has almost opened up every single time. Again, patterns tend to repeat themselves, they don't have to, but it has almost always opened in the red. So for all those that are thinking of holding something, for all those that are thinking of swing trading, please, just because your trade did not go according to plan, should not be a reason to influence you to hold something overnight. If it was a day trade, it should stick to being a day trade, and you just have to work better at risk management. If it comes down to you actually seeing value because of a fundamental or technical reason on a swing trade because there's a consistent pattern, then so be it. But all I want to remind you is to encourage you to inform yourself on how the market has been opening for the past 4 weeks due to current market conditions, and that it's almost opened up red every single Monday. And this is something that you can take time and research yourself. And if you see that pattern, then again, if you're thinking of swing trading something, just again, take time, inform yourself, and make informed investment and trade decisions. So I really hope that you guys enjoy my live trading session. Don't forget to smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Take it easy. Alright team, here we have it. So I went live with the Learn Plan Profit Group and I started trading. My first trade was at 6:46. So the market opens at 6:30. Therefore, my first entry on a trade was about 16 minutes after. So natural gas just pushed up. It looks like it's making higher highs now, so that's really nice to see. So a total of 3 day trades: buys, sells, buy, sell, buy, and then sell. And overall doubled my daily goal. All positions closed $1,041. Just so you guys could see this full week of trading, $11,125. 8,000 of that came from DGAS and 1,400 came from UGAS. So very happy with how this week has played out. But altogether, again, taking it day by day with this current market condition, there's extreme volatility, and again, with great opportunity comes great responsibility. I've been trying to keep it super simple and just focusing on direction, waiting for overall reversals, waiting for confirmation, and then at the end of the day, natural gas is still pushing up, yet I still locked in profits because again, what's most important to me is not to try to maximize every trade, but to try to stay consistent to the best of my ability. I think that's all we could really do, right? Do our part in getting in when we see an opportunity and getting out when we begin to see it to fade or any indication of a resistance. And very happy with how the past couple of days have played out. And one of the things that I wanted to share with you guys is obviously I made most of my money today with DGAS. I can show you guys my entries as well. If you guys want to see my live trading session from this morning and me making $782. I'm going to put that in the first link down below. That normally is exclusive for the Learn Plan Profit group. We've been getting a lot of questions of people wanting to join our Learn Plan Profit team, and they want to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live. So if you guys want to get a taste of what it's like to watch me trade live, again, click the first link down below. It's going to be the live trading session from this morning. I hope you learned something new. I simply focus on direction. I simply focus on my bread and butter, which is natural gas. And then when the trend is my friend, I just add more to my position size, and then I lock in profit. So I had a lot of fun trading today. It looks like natural gas is still pushing up. So really nice to see that, but very happy with how this day played out. So again, don't forget to watch that free live trading session. That's going to be that first link down below. Don't forget to smash that like button. Overall, if you guys are ready to join the Learn Plan Profit group, that's going to be that second link below, and I'm going to leave you a $40 off coupon. So whenever you're ready to take action and learn how to day trade in the stock market, you have that coupon to assist you in getting started. Like always, team, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.